Hey, my name is Lana. I just retired from the post office this summer. One of my goals was to finish a Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm not like a Rubik's Cube genius. It took about a month and I'm still doing it at 2 minutes. Yay, Lana's world record of 2 minutes. So I got so good at that 2-minute mark, I started collecting picture cubes. Yay, Whataburger. And the zoo and things like that as a display because I can now solve Rubik's Cubes. However, someone has fondled my Rubik's Cube. And I didn't realize this, but picture cubes have a center orientation issue. 6 months, an international flight, and 2 domestic flights, I couldn't figure out how to move the centers. So I watched countless YouTubes, probably some y'all's equations. Anyway, I couldn't compartmentalize it. I took notes upon notes. So one day in the hot tub at the YMCA for 2 hours, I tried to compartmentalize how to rotate the centers of a picture cube. Terrible, because there's a lot of advice on the internet and no real easy solutions. So I've broken it down into 3 easy to memorize equations, and my daughter will do her fancy editing because she's a teacher. She'll put them above my head at some point. Call this first equation the Ruru. Alrighty, and it's 20 steps of the same 4. So it's right, regular, right back, regular. There's 4. 8, 12, 16, 20. Woohoo, doggy. So happy when I see all these arrows go in the right direction. So again, that's Ruru at 20 moves. She will post it. Hopefully it's up there. Now, I could never get, every time I would fix one side, another side would goof up. So my second equation, I call Moo. It's called, the middle one is correct, is the same direction. Then it's the upper backwards, middle back, and then upper regular 20 times. And what that does is it rotates the top clockwise by 90 degrees and the back counterclockwise by 90 degrees. So what I do is I put that on there. So I have a clockwise one and a counterclockwise one, which is the back, which is y'all's front, but that's too technical. So here we go. I call this the Moo, and it takes 20 turns on that one as well. I may not count out loud because I'll not be able to do count and turn at the same time, but we'll try. Here we go. 1 Moo. 2 Moo. 3 Moo. 'And there's the 4th Moo. And now we've got the red moved. We've got everybody moved. Now there's one last, the 3rd equation. I call it something, you ma'am. And it's just those 8. You, ma'am, but some go backwards, some go forward, but again, teacher daughter, hopefully that's up there. Alrighty, so on that one, the top goes counterclockwise and my right side goes clockwise. So I just have to look at this for a second to see how that works. So here we go. This one's got to go counterclockwise. This one's got to, this is going to work. You ma'am. You ma'am. So backwards, this way, and back up. Frontwards, this way, backwards and back up. And woo, look at this. Woo, doggy. We got all the things going correct, and if you end up with any other ones, like this black one that's 180 degrees, you just do that roo-roo one more time, and then you got the whole thing solved. It doesn't take 6 months and a flight to Germany anymore. I can do this right now. Now folks can fondle the picture cubes all they want because I can fix them. Have a good day, y'all. I was getting hot in the hot tub. Solve my picture cube. Woo, doggy, yeah.